I thank God Almighty, our Father in heaven, for today. He has made it possible for us all to come from different parts of Nigeria, especially those who had just arrived from Anambra State and those who have been here since yesterday. Since He has brought us all here safely, I pray that in the same vein, we will all go back safely to our various destinations. Amen. My gratitude to the National Working Committee of our great party, ably represented by the National Youth Leader, the Right Honorable Obiora Okonkwo, and the leadership of our party from whatever house that are present here. My simple remark is that to assure you that with this piece of papers in different forms with different serial numbers that you have presented to me today, we have just started the process of winning Agoka, Anambra State. Hello. I have also noted with great interest the position of the party that the process is available for all and they will be free and fair. And the winner will be determined at the end of an open primary in Anambra State come June 26. I have no doubt that with the preparations we have made and the support we have overflowing from all parts of Anambra and beyond, and by the special grace of God, we will emerge victorious in June 26 as the flag bearer of the party. And since we are in this race for no other reason than to win, then I am assuring you that with that mandate I will get on the 26th of June with my team, we will go conquer and bring Anambra back to PDP. Not only that we will win, we have a very clear 10-point agenda that will bring back the pride of our state and then institutionalize PDP in Anambra State. That after our own tenure in office, PDP will have enough reason to win many more elections in the future. I thank my dear wife who is present here with me, and I assure you all that I will abide by the rules of the party. I will follow diligently the constitution of the party as I have remained a loyal, faithful party member. With this form in my hand, I will try as much as possible to continue to support any party plan, any party strategy for us to be properly sensitized and mobilized for victory in Anambra State. I thank you all, and once more, I'm thankful to God Almighty for having made this day possible. Thank you, and thank you.